you doing? It's MrDoTheMath here, and today we're going to talk about special lines, right? Special lines, right? There's two types of special lines that we need to learn about today, and those are horizontal lines. Horizontal. Don't mind how I spell, because I cannot spell, right? Horizontal lines and vertical lines. Alright? Horizontal lines and vertical lines. Earlier this year we talked about the slopes of horizontal lines and vertical lines. Does anybody remember what the slope of a horizontal line is? Talk to me, Mason.
The slope is 0.
Yes, sir. The slope of a horizontal line is always 0 because a horizontal line goes from left to right, right? And so the way we thought about horizontal lines is that they have no rise, right? No rise and what?
All run.
All run. No rise and all run, right? And then the slope of a vertical line was what? Yes, Mr. Dean.
It's undefined.
Undefined. It was undefined, right? And for me, I always remember vertical lines because I think about my vertical. When I have a vertical, I jump up and down, right? So your vertical line is going up and down. So vertical lines have what? All what?
Rise.
All right.
All rise and no run, right? Therefore, for undefined, your run is 0 and you have a number for the rise. And for here, your rise is 0 and you have a number for the run, all right? So that's what we remember about the slopes for horizontal and vertical lines. Today, we're going to talk about the equation for a vertical and horizontal line, okay? And this is all you need to remember, all right? Simply put, whenever you have an equation where you have y equals a number, when you have y equals a number, so say for instance, give me a number.
3.
There we go, it's a great number, right? Third out, right? Y equals 3, this means that, notice you have no slope, right? So this is like 0x plus 3, right? 0x plus 3. Remember you said horizontal lines have 0 slope. So if you were to graph this, this means that your line is going to go through the 3 on the y-axis, and that's it. So to graph this, we go 1, 2, 3, right? And it would go, you got a horizontal line going through 3, right? And that's it, okay? So whenever you see y equals a number, you have a horizontal line. For vertical lines, it's the exact opposite. So for vertical lines, you have x equals a number. Give me another number.
5.
I knew you was going to say 5, right? X equals 5. That means that you're going to have a vertical line going through 5 on the x-axis. So again, if we're to graph this, we'll look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we make a line going through 5. This would be our vertical line. That's it. So your points would be all these points. Remember we did x and y intercepts. So every point on this line is going to start with 5, and it's going to end with whatever the matching y is. Right? You have a number here. 5 stays the same though. All right. This point still 5 stays the same. Right? And over here, every number on the y-axis is the same. So you'll have 3 for the second number, and this number will change, right? This number will change, but 3 stays the same. The second number always stays the same, right? So for a horizontal line, whenever you have an equation that says y equals any number with no x involved, you know that your slope is 0, and you have a horizontal line. And if you have x equals any number, right, with no y available, you have a vertical line going through whatever this number was. Any questions? That makes sense? Give me a thumbs up. Tell me how you feel about that. You good with that? All right. Let's do the math out.
Hey.